Hi everyone, in this video I'll be doing a quick demo of using the Dualit Handheld Milk Frother to make a luxury hot chocolate. Firstly, to make this hot chocolate I'm using full fat milk, 220ml to be precise, and Hotel Chocolate's 50% hot chocolate flakes, this being the single serve sachet containing 35 grams. Of course, it's your personal preference in terms of the desired milk that you can use, although they do recommend using Barista grade plant-based or dairy milk for the best results. Also, ideally semi-skim milk is recommended as it will froth better due to the lower fat content. Therefore, it's good to experiment with different types of milks to see the different results you can achieve. As I'm making a hot chocolate, I'll add the relevant attachment for this type of drink, which is the main whisk, and the basket attachment just clicks on there. Just put that into the main jug unit. Next, I'll add the milk, and then finally the chocolate flakes. Finally, I'll place the lid on and then just press the button. As you'll notice, the milk frother is essentially silent when operating, so you won't hear any noise when using it. Also, it's cool to the touch, so it's not going to get warm on the outside. During normal operation, you would usually leave the lid on so that it can reach the optimum temperature and then retain the heat. However, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to take it off so you can see it working. Just to mention, whilst it's making this drink, as the milk frother can make a variety of drinks, you could also use the hot chocolate to make a mocha drink, where you could actually add it to your coffee. Once the light indicator on the button turns off there, the milk frother automatically turns off and then the drink is going to be ready to serve. Whilst it's making the drink, you can also notice the smell of the chocolate aroma where it's perfectly mixing and frothing the drink to the right temperature. So it's not too hot and it's just right for drinking straight away. So now it's finished, like I say, the light indicator will go off and then it's ready to go. As you can see there, it's perfectly frothed. So I'll just pour this into the mug here so you can see the final result. So there you have it. Within a few minutes you've got a Barista style hot chocolate drink ready to enjoy. Overall, I've got to say this milk frother has already become one of my favourite and most used kitchen appliances. The reasons for this include it being simple to use in terms of just one button operation and just a few easy quick steps to make your drink. It doesn't take up much room on your worktop, so you don't have to worry about putting it away, getting it out all the time. It creates consistent drinks every time, and it's quiet to use and quite stylish quality product. If you want to find out more about the Dualit Handheld Milk Frother itself, then please see my unboxing and overview video that I've linked below within the description. Thanks for watching this video and hope you found it useful. Please watch out for some further videos and a series of follow-up content that will cover using the milk frother to make a variety of different drinks, where you'll find the links below within the description. If you enjoyed this video, please like it by giving a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to the channel for any future videos. Feel free to also add any comments with your tips, thoughts from your own experience, as well as suggesting your favourite drink flavours and ideas below. Thanks again and bye for now.